for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, UCONNECT hands-free group, brake assist, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.